guys, so today I'm redoing my Boxycharm. I already filmed this once, and when I went to go edit the video, I realized that there was some weird issue with the audio. It got all messed up, so I just decided to redo it and do a different look. So yeah, I didn't film me using the palette because I just really didn't feel like it, and I figured it would save time and make the video shorter, so yeah. So now I'm going to unbox the August Boxycharm. This is the front of the card. Get some coupons for Smashbox and Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is what the inside of the little card looks like. There's pictures of Laura Lee and other people that I don't know who they are, and then that's just what the card looks like. First thing I'm gonna pull out is the Wander Beauty, the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You get 3 of them, and these cost, it says that they cost $13, but I don't know if that's $13 for all 3 or if they're like $13 for one. I'm not really sure, but I haven't used these yet. I didn't really feel like using them today, but maybe next time before I do my makeup, or maybe just before I go to bed one night, I might try those. And then the next thing is the Adesse New York Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, which I'm pretty excited for because, excuse my nails, but I'm trying to grow them out and they keep breaking, so I feel like this might help keep them stronger. That's just what it looks like. It doesn't really have a smell, which I'm glad. It doesn't smell like a normal nail polish. It's not strong or anything. This doesn't really have a scent to it at all. And then the next thing is the Bang Beauty chocolate gel eyeliner. Comes in a little pot like that. This is the back. I did already dig into it because I was trying to swatch it. It doesn't really swatch the best, but I mean, it's a gel eyeliner, and on the card it also says that you can use it as a brow product or an eyeshadow base, and the eyeliner is $22, and also the cuticle oil, I forgot to say, is $18. The next thing is the House of Lashes in the style Femme Fatale. I did already use these when I filmed the first time, so I mean, there's gonna be some gunk on there because I did use them already. They do have a really thick band, so they weren't really that comfortable, and it kind of gave me a headache when I was wearing them. Like, it was just, they were really heavy. The band was really thick. It was kind of itchy too. And I wear fake eyelashes every time I do my makeup, but the ones that I wear, they have a thin clear band. They're from Salon Perfect in the style 614. That's what those look like. That's what I'm wearing right now, is these ones. You can get them at Walmart. I'm not really sure if where else you can get them, but that's where I got mine. But yeah, I mean, I like them. They're pretty. They're really dramatic. I like dramatic lashes, but the band is so thick that they're kind of uncomfortable to wear. So, and then the next thing is the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Power On, and it's a matte. The box, it makes it look like it's a red color, but when you take it out of the packaging, I mean, it still looks red on camera, but when I tried it the first time, when I filmed this the first time and I used it, and when I put it on my lips, it was almost the same color pink that's in the palette. I still like it. I was gonna put it on for the video, but it'll clash with the blue, so I don't think I'm gonna be putting it on. I don't have anything on my lips right now. It's just some chapstick. I do like it. It's a pretty color. I mean, maybe with a different look, obviously, but I like it, it's comfortable, I like the color. And then the last thing is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. Now I will say I don't really like Laura Lee, and I mean that's all I'm really gonna say about it, but when I did use this palette the first time, it was really good. It still is good. The pigmentation is crazy, the colors are bright. It's a good palette. I just personally don't really like her, but I will still use the palette. The colors are pretty, they are bright, but I like colorful. I'm fine with wearing colors. Like, it doesn't make me you know, it's not like out of my comfort zone or anything. Like, I like to wear colors. I like this palette. I think it's good. The pigmentation is crazy. That's what the inside of the palette looks like. For my when I filmed this the first time, I used the shade Drinks in my crease, and then I used, what is that? I used Bottoms Up on my lid, and that's all I did, and it turned out like a really pretty sunset look. I just wish the audio hadn't got messed up on that video, but today I only used this one, Damage Control, this lighter blue. It looks more blue in the pan than it does on my eyes, but that's just maybe because of my skin tone. I'm not really sure. But that's literally all I use. And for my inner corner highlight and brow bone, it's just the highlight I'm wearing on my face. I love this color. I think this is a super pretty blue. And I know palettes like this aren't for everybody, but I think it's a good way to maybe try to start getting into color, because you can use like a neutral palette to use in your crease, and then, or just like do a neutral eye look and take one of these colors and put it on the lower lash line as like a pop of color. It's like a really easy way to start getting into color. I mean, and it does have a mirror, which is really nice also. But yeah, I like this palette, whether, you know, I like Laura Lee or not. I think this is a good palette. The colors are bright and the pigmentation is there. They blend. So far I haven't had any issues with like patchiness or anything, and I've only used these two shades in this blue one today. But yeah, so I like this palette. I wasn't excited for it at first, but now that I have it and I've played with it a couple times now, I'm pretty glad that I have it. And I also feel like it'll be a good palette to have for the Halloween time coming up, for like, you know, Halloween looks, or if you're going to like a bright neon party, this would be a good palette to use. I don't ever go to parties because I don't have any friends to hang out with. I forgot to say, the lashes range anywhere between $9 to $12 because there's different styles that you could get. And then the Smashbox lipstick ranges between prices from $21 to $24 because there's different finishes, there's different colors that you could get. And then the Party Animal palette is $19, which I think is a good price. It's in between affordable and kind of high-end, because I mean it's less than the box, but I think that's a really good price for this palette. And you get a mirror. So it's everything that I got in my August Boxycharm. I wasn't excited for it at first, but I'm actually glad that I tried everything on and I like everything. I haven't had a chance to play with the chocolate eyeliner yet, but I'm excited because I feel like brown eyeliner, at least in my personal opinion, doesn't look as harsh as black eyeliner. I suck at doing eyeliner anyways, but I feel like when I have used brown eyeliner in the past, it always looked more like natural, I guess. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, I liked everything I got. This is how the eyes turned out. I love this blue. I think this is such a pretty light blue color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm sorry that I didn't film me actually using the eyeshadow, but I just didn't really feel like it, and I didn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August, and please like and subscribe, and leave down in the comments below what variation you got. Mine says a little one. Excuse my nails, they're dirty, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments below what variation you got, what color lipstick, what finish. Did you get lashes? Did you get a primer? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!